Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So now we can see the Walt Disney Company. So right now you can see here guys, this is the very heavy fall has been came. So right now because of the war it is came down, so subscriber has been continuously decreasing, that's why. But the thing is, this is the fundamentally is the best company, Walt Disney. Okay guys, also Warren Buffett has been told that be greedy when other are fearful. Okay guys, so right now everybody is in the fear, but we are bullish in this. So at the first place you can invest is that 118. Okay guys, this is the place where you can invest first 50%. Okay guys, if it will crosses and came down once again, then you can invest your 30% more at 109 or 1010 round level. Okay guys, after it will reverse and came somewhere 118, you can invest your more 20%, that will become 100%, and it will gives you a very nicest investment ideas, because this will at the long term it will definitely gives you the best result guys, because this is the best company right now, Walt Disney, and it has the so many companies in on it, and also they are doing so nice job, and they are continuously working on their products. So right now what I am thinking, this is the best place. First is this, second will be this. So if you like this stock, so please go and purchase this stock, and you will definitely get a very nice investment in long term. Okay guys, this is the thing what I wanted to tell you, or some of the investment stock. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.